we are. There's our camp. And there's my rock, my couch, my sofa. And here we are in the most idyllic setting. It's really magical here. And there's a bunch of hawks up there. A couple dozen of them up there. I don't know if you can see that. On the other side of the river. And here we are. Beautiful sky. That's where we came from. And we walked down in the river. And here, whoa! Don't drop the camera. And there's a little bird eating over there. And there were a bunch of beautiful blackbirds with orange wings earlier. Before I got my camera. So,